If your Midea dishwasher isn't working properly or if the delicate light is stuck on, don't worry, in this video I will walk you through how to reset it step by step and get it running again. Let's get started. The first and easiest way to reset your Midea dishwasher is by doing a power cycle. So turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the wall. If it's hardwired, go to your circuit breaker and switch it off instead. Now wait for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the control board to fully reset. After that, plug it back in or flip the breaker back on. Once power is restored, press and hold the start reset button for about 3 seconds. This will reset the main control board and clear any temporary errors. On some Midea models like the MDT24H3A, there's another way to reset. While the dishwasher is powered on, press and hold the delicate plus quick buttons together for 3 seconds. You should hear a beep or see the lights flash. That means the system has been successfully reset. If your dishwasher is currently running and you just want to cancel the current cycle, here's what to do. Press the start pause button once to pause the machine, and then press and hold the program button for 3 seconds. This will cancel the active cycle. After that, you can select a new program and start again to begin a fresh wash. Now if the delicate light stays on even when the door is open, it might be caused by a jammed soap dispenser. So here's how you can fix it. Open the soap dispenser and make sure it's clean. Remove any detergent buildup or blockage. Then close it securely and check if the light goes off. Several users have confirmed this quick fix worked for them, so it's worth trying. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.